Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this video, we are gonna look at how to change the username for our OnlyFans account. Now let us begin. For your information, I've already logged into my account. As you guys can see, in case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to change the username. Right now what you guys need to do is simply focus on the left side of the screen. Just below this add card button, you can see something called as my profile. Click on it right now and you will be redirected to your profile. Well, as you guys can see, I have not added anything. Now from here, simply focus on this button called as edit profile. It has a settings icon attached to it. Click on it. Now this is it guys. From here you can simply add your profile picture, the cover photos and everything. Right now all we want to do is change our username, and just below our profile picture you can see a button like this that says username. Simply select it and change it to your choice. I'm gonna do it right now. Well, as you guys can see, I have changed it. Now all I'm gonna do is save it. At the top right you can see a blue button like this that is save. Click on it and guys, that's it. As you guys can see, our username has been changed. Well guys, that is it. That's how we change your username in OnlyFans. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.